Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today I've got another one of those fun Halloween kits that I like to build. This one is from the Jolly Roger series, one that I don't have, called Hex Marks the Spot. This is in 1/12 scale? Yeah, 1/12 scale. This is a repop from an old Linburg kit, and this has been repopped by round 2, 2023. So a recent re-release. Let's take a look at it. This will go well with the other ones I have in this scale. Glow in the dark. Ooh, yes, that's going to be fun. And does not disappoint. Start out with everything is in this glow in the dark plastic, which makes it really hard to want to paint it because it's going to look cool either way. But the wooden raft, if you will, just that looks great. Part of the wheel. And the wheel does look really nice. Here we've got a skull. And part of the stand for the wheel. I forget what it's called. But again, the old Linburg kit repopped. Probably part of I don't want to call it a door, trunk. Don't know what exactly it's called, but anyway, detail on it's really good. The wood grain looks fabulous on this thing. Oh yes, part of a mast, part of the raft. Of the mast. To me, these kits are just a lot of fun. And with all the, as I call them, the special lights that I have in here, my black lights, these really pop. Lantern with a rope. There's one of our skeletons, got a dagger. There's another medallion. This one is already glow in the dark, so that's neat. Might not mess with that at all. Front of the rib cage. And here's our other skeleton, our standing skeleton, with his skull, arms, extra bones. Cool. It's like extra feet. Oh, I love those extra parts. And here's our cannon. Might have to resin cast that. That could be interesting. Just for something in the future. So the fun thing about these kits is they have a few, not only extra parts, but just some neat parts that are so unique. I could possibly use them on something else. There's a rubber band that comes in the kit. Ah. It's like the main part of the raft. wow. Interesting. Some more of the raft. That looks to be all of the plastic. Yep, that's all of the plastic. Let's take a look at these decals. Oh, love it, love it. You've got a pirate map there. You got a beautiful skull and crossbones. A few other kind of neat little things. Oh yeah, this is going to be fun. I'm going to enjoy this. Advertisement. And then the instructions. Putting the raft together. Putting the mast on and the ship's wheel on. Putting the cannon together. Oh, cannonballs. Got a couple cannonballs there. That's neat. And installing those. And then putting our one skeleton that goes, it comes out of a chest, it looks like, or a box. And he's going to be the one with the rubber band. And then building that box. Putting the lid on it. Guess he pops out of there. That's kind of neat. Then some extra bones to go around the raft. Putting our pilot behind the wheel. Looks like he's got an eye patch too. That's neat. And here is the decals that go on that box. So looks like it's got a lot of decal placement. That's neat. And then of course your color call out. So simple and straightforward and fun. I can tell you these kits are a lot of fun. They look neat. And I'm hooked on collecting them. So I still got a few to go, but I won't pay collector's price for them. So that's why it's taken me a while to get them. They keep re-releasing them. Round 2 does. So, you know, eventually I'll have them all, and I'll have them all with those nice decals. So yay for me. All right, well that was just a real quick one today. I'm gonna get building this thing, even though there's months to go till Halloween. Definitely a kit I would recommend. Of course, I picked it up. I had to have it. So there's the box, and here's the side where you see the decals, and there you go. All right, folks. Well, thank you for joining us today. Oh yeah, here's your bottom of the box. Oh yeah, pretty neat. Spare parts. I love spare parts. Yeah, we're gonna have to paint some of this up for sure, and leave some of the other parts in that glowing plastic. So thanks for joining us today, and we will see you again next time on The Stash.